Hello everyone, my name is Bora Balcı. I am a sophomore in Computer Engineering Department at Bilkent University. This is my lab project video for Physics 101 course. The equipments that I have used are air table to create an almost frictionless surface, a dynamometer, two wedges, two springs with different visible stiffness, a ruler to measure the initial lengths and compression amounts of the springs, puck and weight. The main purpose of the experiment was to calculate spring constant using the law of conservation of energy. The experiment consisted of two parts. In the first part, I determined the K values with the help of a dynamometer, applying different forces. I holded the wedge to a stable surface and pulled the string with the help of the dynamometer. I connected the springs separately and in serial and parallel manner. In the second part, I determined K values by compressing these strings with a puck plus optional mass system on the air table, creating an environment that can be assumed frictionless. By this assumption, the conversion of elastic potential energy to kinetic energy is observed to calculate K values. I took separate data for each of the springs. In part 1, data points showed general consistency with the expected result, but in part 2, the error rate was higher. This may be caused by the difficulty to prepare the setup, especially for part 2. Human errors and equipments are other possible reasons for errors.